So Marcel's just got back from fishing and I think it was pretty successful.
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah, I got 10 fish.
13.
13 and you gave 3 away.
Yeah.
Far out. So where are we going to keep all this?
Oh, three of them I'll smoke.
Oh
The
yeah.
rest I'll fill it in bag.
Our freezer's not that big.
So smoking is underway. I wondered how I was going to fit my 3 fish in here. So we've got a bit of Kiwi ingenuity going on. So oven dish on top, held up with a couple of stones. And the other fish underneath. So Bibu, where are we going today?
To see Gazella's foal.
Gazella's foal? Yeah, so you've been doing point of love on Gazella.
Yeah.
And she's now had her foal. And so all the kids that have been doing point of love are going to go up and see her today.
Yeah.
With Auntie Helen. Cool, and Elijah's coming along for the ride. Okay? Woo!
Marcel, Elijah and Summer met the group at the first ford, which needed a 4-wheel drive to cross due to recent rain. So they loaded up our car in another 4-wheel drive and headed up to the farm. Helen asked the owner if the kids and their families could submit names for the wee colt. She said yes, and that the name had to start with the letter F. The Icelandic name Foal was chosen, which means gallant warrior.
It's right near Gazella. The foal. See, it's standing up.
The little guy doesn't like his face being touched yet, so everyone got to give him a good butt scratch instead.
This is not normal to teach you to come up behind, is it?
No.
Not at all.
You know, said go the front way first.
Right, Kika, your turn.
Pretty special, bro.
Yeah.
Got one. Don't push him through the feet.
The group went down the farm to the river to find more of the Icelandic horses so the kids could all have a ride and also to find a nice spot for lunch.
You get around here, boo. Did you get around there on your own? Woo! Nice drop.
Last time we were here, we were walking down there and JJ was chucking rocks on the edge.
Cool spot, eh? Pretty awesome. This one's got a beard, look at that. See?
I think I rode this one.
He's got more whiskers than Daddy. Really?
This is Elijah's second ever ride on a Kaikoura house. Alright, Summer. What do you have for that, boy?
Waterfall.
At least a bit smaller than
Sweet, go for a ride.
that one likes you.
Oh, he's cruising.
Is it all ready to get wet?
No!
No? What?
Yes!
Alrighty, so we're up at the Clarence. Marcel's probably said that. So we're just going to go down the riverbed and we're going to try and find the stallion, Heather's stallion, Al Barber, and he's got a couple of foals and 3 mares running with him, and we're going to have a picnic lunch with the horses.
So yeah?
Alright, so we'll just eat up in here and I'll tie Soul up and then the kids can ride her back to the truck.
And all the horses will come so Sal's
They
coming.
might, yeah.
Make it run.
No, just be made.
It's pretty cool out here. It's pretty rugged. Kids are loving it down here. Such a gorgeous spot up here in the Clarence. We're going to go up and have lunch in the wilderness. Lala, go pat that pretty boy over there.
Thanks heaps Helen for organising such a cool experience for all the kids, and thanks also to the property owner for sharing her land and her beautiful horses. Stay. Okay. So we have come to the South Bay NZMCA Park. It's been a while since we've stayed over here. Really just gorgeous. Like, we don't actually see the mountains where we're parked up because we're under a hill.
So today we're at South Bay. I think second day here. So, well, Mom's going to go to Grant's to pick up the washing. We're going on the paddleboard. We haven't had out for a long time, so Dad might fall off. It is winter, so hopefully he falls off. I can't wait to see that happen.
Yeah, so nice day here in Kaikoura. Haven't had the paddleboard out for a long time, so I thought we'll get it out and make the most of that beautiful glass out there. I hope I don't fall off because it'll be cold.
I hope you do.
Huh?
I hope you do.
You hope I fall off. That's not very nice.
Much to Josiah's disappointment, Marcel didn't fall off. Elijah had to go on his own too and started to get the hang of it.
Pedal backward. Push backward. Yeah. Jump on down, let's put it on the other side and pedal forward. Going for a small boot?
Yeah.
Woo! Loving it?
Yeah.
Pretty cool in here.
Yeah. I'm surrounded by lots of rocks.
Man, such a beautiful sunset down here tonight. Summer, Elijah and I all had fun making these dresses out of paper towels, water and felts. We have all had horrible colds but are finally coming right. So that's really cool. There's a lady here who follows the Facebook page and watches our YouTube channel, and she's bought home kill bacon. Nice, so 4 packs of that.
Yeah, 5 packs.
5 packs of bacon from home kill, so that's really cool. So has she come to Kaikoura specifically to see us?
Yeah, from Geraldine.
Seriously?
Yeah.
This is what I have to put up with. Like, seriously, feel bad for me. But I guess I married it, so. Oh, babe, no! That's so wrong, Lila. Quick, escape, go to bed, quick. So this morning we've left the South Bay Park early to go to the auto mechanic. We've been telling you about how our camera on the truck hasn't been working. So it's been replaced once, actually no, it's been replaced twice. And it's got water in it now, so we've got to take it back to the guy and hopefully he'll get that sorted for us today. So we're just going to be sitting in the auto mechanic's driveway. Yeah, we might just do our schoolwork anyway while they're working on the truck and then head downtown or something. Don't know. Look at our view this morning. Beautiful green brick wall.
No, it's a bush.
There's
a
lots
bush, isn't it?
and lots of something.
Does it? So we got our schoolwork done and then headed up to the lookout for lunch as it was such a beautiful day. The next day we got snow down to almost 200 metres. We so love the Kaikoura mountain ranges and are blessed to be based in such a beautiful place. Thank you so much for watching our family's adventures. If you enjoy our content, please make sure to subscribe and we'll see you next time.